Hi students. Yes, the previous class we already learned that the life process, and then today we are starting the next topic, that is transportation. Transportation of what? Transportation of food materials. Yes, what are the food materials? Oxygen, transportation material, oxygen, carbon dioxide, food materials, hormones, enzymes, and nitrogen space. Yes, what are the transport materials? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, food materials, hormones, enzymes, nitrogen space, and vitamins also. How is it possible? Yes, they are transported within a fluid medium, that is blood. Blood, we have already heard that. Blood, what is blood? Yes, look, blood is a fluid connective tissue. Fluid fluid connective tissue. It connects all the part of the body. Okay. Then in blood there is two parts in it. First one is blood plasma, and second is blood cells. Then blood cells are three types: RBC, WBC, and platelets. And then blood plasma. In blood plasma, this is fluid matrix of blood. Fluid matrix of blood, that is blood plasma. Okay, blood plasma contain proteins. The major proteins are albumin, globulin, some more. Yes. In blood cells, RBC carry oxygen and carbon dioxide. Yes, in blood plasma, there is no proteins in it, vitamins in it, hormones in it. And then in RBC, the transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide is helping by a protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. Okay, this is the first important thing of transportation of human beings. Next, blood is the first, and second is heart. Second part is heart. Yes, heart is a muscular organ. Situated in our thoracic cavity, where thoracic cavity, in between the lungs, slightly towards to left, and size of heart is clenched fist. Okay. Then the heart have four chambers. The chambers are two auricles and two ventricles. Two auricles are left auricle and right auricle, and two ventricles are left ventricles and right ventricles. Okay, have you know about the shape of heart? Okay, look, the shape of heart is yes. Look, this is left atrium or left auricle. This is left ventricle, and this is right auricle or right atrium. This is right ventricle. Okay, look. In this, oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood traveling through twice time into the heart. Twice time into the heart. So, heart have a system have double circulation in it. Ready? Double circulation. Sometimes left atrium and left ventricle carrying deoxygenated sometimes that cause heart failure. Okay, look, the oxygenated blood, that means pure blood, that comes from lungs. Okay, that comes from lungs. Then that oxygenated blood comes from lungs to left atrium. Oxygenated blood comes from lungs to left atrium. Oxygenated blood from lungs to left atrium. Then look, and then left atrium just contrast. Will develop a pressure and blood flows through a valve towards the another region, that is left ventricle. Okay, when blood is filled within the left atrium, the atrium will be contrasted, and contrasted atrium will help to blood flows towards the next chamber, that is left ventricle. Okay, then left ventricle, oxygenated blood from lungs going to the heart atrium, left atrium, and to left ventricle. After reach left ventricle, the ventricular side will contracting, develop a big pressure, and the blood pumping fastly, very strongly towards all other part of the human body. Human body. Okay? Oxygenated blood from lungs. That means pure blood. Pure blood travels from lungs to left auricle or left atrium, and then a pressure develops. That pressure creating the blood is moving just next layer, that is left ventricle, and the left ventricle develops and creates a high pressure, and then blood moving towards the other human organs, all the part of the body. Yes. Next, this is one circulation. This is one circulation, first circulation. And then the next is the impure blood that comes from various parts of body. Impure blood, that means carboxylated blood. Carbon dioxide contained blood. That deoxygenated blood, the impure blood, comes from various parts of the human body. That is reaches left atrium. Deoxygenated blood that will be reaches right atrium. And then what will be then got? The pressure creating the orbit, and blood moves towards the right ventricle and filled with blood in right ventricle, then contrasting high pressure. Then the blood will flowing high pressure towards the lungs. Okay? The carboxylated blood, the impure blood from various parts of the body, is coming towards the right atrium, and a pressure creating, and blood is travels to right ventricle, and then right ventricle created high pressure, and then this blood is pumping with high pressure towards the lungs. Okay, this is the next circulation. Various part towards right atrium and right ventricle to lungs. This is the second circulation. So the blood is traveling within heart two times. The first one is in the mode of oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood. And the second is deoxygenated blood. Okay, so they have two types of circulations here. One circulation is with oxygenated blood towards left atrium and left ventricle. That means left side of the heart. And the second one is deoxygenated blood that circulates in right atrium and right ventricle. That is deoxygenated blood. That means impure blood. This is the second circulation. So the human being's heart in a circulation. That circulation is one blood is traveling 2 times within the body. That is known as double circulation. Then, look at the double circulation is in heart. That means right atrium and right ventricle, and left atrium and left ventricle. The left side is filled with pure blood. The left side of the heart is filled with pure blood. The circulation of blood within left atrium to left ventricle, that means left side of the heart, that is pure blood. Pure blood means oxygenated blood. That means in this blood containing hemoglobin, that is very interacting with oxygen. That hemoglobin is joining to oxygen, that means absorbing the oxygen, and then that is known as oxyhemoglobin. That oxyhemoglobin is the pure blood. That means blood containing oxygen. And look, right atrium to right ventricle, the right side of the heart, that is filled with impure blood. That means deoxygenated blood or carboxyhemoglobinated blood. That means impure blood have carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide have great affinity to hemoglobin. So this blood containing more carbon dioxide, so that blood is known as carboxyhemoglobinated blood. Yes, carboxyhemoglobin. Yes. We already learned that heart has 4 chambers. Okay. Heart acts as a pumping organ. Okay. Then some organisms, birds and some reptiles, except crocodiles, have 3-chambered heart. Some birds and reptiles. Reptiles means except crocodiles have 3-chambered heart. 2 auricles and 1 ventricle system. Okay. Then next topic is the pumping of heart. Yes, well, we have already learned that the auricular contraction and ventricular contraction. Auricular contraction, that helps the blood moving towards the ventricle side, and the ventricular pressure create blood flows. Left ventricle is turning, that is blood flows to other part of the organisms, and the right ventricle pushes the blood towards the lungs. So unidirectional, only towards the lungs. Okay. Then pressure creating it. So we have know about the blood pressure of human beings. Yes. Do you know about blood pressure? Yes. Blood pressure means the blood pumping through blood vessels. The blood vessels are aorta, vein, and capillaries. Yes. Aorta, vein, and capillaries. Then, within the aorta, the blood passes very pressurefully. Okay. Then the pressure will create two type of pressure, that is systolic and diastolic. Systolic pressure is 120 millimeter per Hg. Systolic pressure is 120 millimeter per Hg, and the diastolic pressure is 80 millimeter per Hg. Okay. Then, to determine the blood pressure in medical use and equipments, that is known as sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer is using for detect the blood pressure, the systolic and diastolic pressure. Okay. Yes. Then, when systolic pressure is very high, above 120 millimeter per Hg, that causes hypertension. So, the normal blood pressure of human beings, that is 80 to 120 millimeter per Hg. The 80 is the diastolic pressure and 120 is the systolic pressure. Okay, then what is capillaries? Capillaries, yes. When aorta, within the aorta, that is oxygenated blood, is traveling towards the various parts of the organs. Okay, and then they divide into small vessels and they rebranched. This small vessels is known as capillaries. For what purpose? The capillary have thin cell wall, single layered cells. Thin cell wall, cell membrane, single layered cell membranes are here. So they can transport they can transport oxygen and carbon dioxide and food materials and nitrogen waste, etc. And then their rejoining, that is known as vein. This is aorta and this is vein. Within the aorta, pure blood is traveling and the vein is impure blood. Okay, the connection between aorta and vein within small blood vessels, that is known as capillaries. Capillaries, the first half capillaries is pure blooded capillaries, and the second part is impure blooded capillaries. Okay. Yes. Then the first, we are already learned blood constituents. Okay. Again, just blood. Three components. Sorry, two components. Blood cells and blood plasma. Okay. Blood cells and blood plasma. Yes. Blood cells are RBC, WBC and platelets. What is the functions of these three blood cells? RBC, the function is transportation. Transportation of what? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. And the function of WBC is to provide immune power. To provide immune power. And the platelets. Platelets. What's the importance of platelets? Yes. Platelets is the main substance that helps to blood coagulate. Yes, platelets is very important one. The function of platelets is blood coagulation. When our body is cut or wound, then the platelets will reach in that part of body, and then they provide some hormones, enzymes, etc. And within the cut or wound, they produce a fiber-like structure that prevents blood moves out from the body. Okay, the fiber will prevent the blood loss. Yes, that is the advantage of platelets. Okay. Okay. Next is lymph. This other fluid connective tissue. Examples of fluid connective tissue, that is lymph. The lymph is colorless fluid. Just like plasma, lymph and plasma is comparatively similar, but in lymph is colorless fluid containing more WBC. More WBC. Yes, then the lymph, the importance of lymph is immune power. Protecting the microorganisms, harmful microorganisms. Protecting the microorganisms, harmful microorganisms. Okay. This is the main parts. Okay. Then blood have blood cells. The three blood cells are here: RBC, and the WBC, the function of WBC is immune power, providing immune power. Yeah, already know that there is 5 types of WBCs are here. Know about monocyte, lymphocyte, and then neutrophil, eosinophil, basophils. Okay, and platelets. The main function of platelets is blood coagulation that prevent blood losing from the body. Okay, and then lymph is another immune power providing material like blood is a colorless fluid containing more WBC that providing more immune power that protecting from harmful microorganisms. Okay, this is the blood circulation. Yes, students, you should must a biology notebook and please write the important points of these notes and revise it. Okay, this is very important message for you. Okay, okay, students. Bye. See you tomorrow.